Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 10, and we're going to present our project, namely Webtoons. But before we present our project, we're going to introduce ourselves first. My name is Muhammad Iqbal.
And my name is Ferdiansyah.
So we're going to move on to our project. So if Webtoons is a platform, a digital comic platform for reading various comics for free or for free on the web and in the mobile application, and if Webtoons is similar to Webtoons, so the users can read comics from from the websites or the mobile application. So the website components are made of HTML, Never Native for the query and stuffs, the CSS for the styling, jQuery for the verification and stuffs, JSON for the data, and JavaScript for the logic, AngularJS for the presentation again, and the Bootstrap for more styling. So we move on next. So this is the configuration and software that we use. It is compatible with an Intel i-Core Core i7 to 250 gigabytes and 82 gigabyte RAM. And we use Firebase for the database. And we use Eclipse IDE to make the website for our project, and Android Studio for the mobile application.
Okay, let's go on to our website. Okay, this is our if Webtoons in web application, and this is how if Webtoon look like in home screen or index at .jsp. This one is just for my mix, and this one is like information that I give to you. So this one is about a review and top comments, and here is if you want to follow our Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. This is the footer of our if Webtoons. Next, we go on to comic. It is free and premium comics, but we will choose the free comic first because premium comic first will you will need to log in first. So this is our free if Webtoons premium comic. This one is like this, and you can take next. And if you see, if you want to read uh like like the comic named Scam Break Life by Genese, and the title is Need for Speed. If you want to read the comic, you can just like this swipe to right, or back to left, and sure. Next, we'll go to contact. Contact is integrated with Firebase to send a message to our administrator. Let's say we will choose project Ferdi, Ferdi QQQ, enter an email, Ferdi King 000, and the message is very good, and send it, and you will see your message has been sent to administrator. It will be sent to our Firebase in a message like this. Okay. Next, we will go to our contact. I'm sorry about us. The about us is about the if Webtoons comic. Something about the comic and if Webtoons story. And you can see this is the Comicus of the Month, or GOTD. And GOTD, you can see ID number, Comicus name, comic email. This data is retrieved from Firebase too, from this one, Comicus. Okay, you can see it now. We choose to our story, and the last time we choose the API for location, my house, so then, and the future. And next is about login, will be explained by Muhammad Iqbal.
So in this login, we use several what is it called, temporal components for the validation, namely the jQuery and the what is called the Angular JS for the validation. So we use it for validation. So we enter the email first, and if we fill the fields wrong, it will give a message. Fill the fields wrong. The password is not 8 characters or less. It will give an alert.
This one. Okay, this is it will be explained by Iqbal again. What premium?
So after the login page, so there's gonna be a premium page, a premium comic page, namely the comics that aren't available for free on the website, but are available for the users, the paid users. So the interface are basically the same. The home, free comic. The paid users can also read the free comics and the exclusive comics too, and contact us, review, and about us again, same as before.
Logout. And we will go logout. The logout is back to our Webtoons before login. And next, we will go to admin page. Okay, this is if admin page of Webtoons. As you can see, this one is employee table. The employee table is also retrieved from Firepress. And this one is just GSS, and this one is just GSS. This one is also just GSS. Next, the employee table will be explained by Muhammad Iqbal.
So this is the employee table. We can add new data, update or delete the employee data as well. So we can press on the new employee to add a new employee, which will bring up a pop-up page and will ask several fields to be filled with the corresponding data, and then after we hit save, the data will be saved into the Firebase database, and we can close that window if we have finished adding our data. And then we can refresh the page and see the data is there. We can also update and delete the data over here on the page. Right. Here,
Okay,
as you can
last
see,
thing
it's updated.
is to delete it. Okay, let's go to next about message. The message is same thing as employee, but the data is retrieved from the Firebase actually, and the data is created in contact us. So if the like I say before, if the user contact the admin, it will be deployed in here, and the admin just can delete it. Message deleted successfully. We will second and it's gone. Oh, we try one again. ZD. Okay, the data ZD lucky that is gone. And next is a Chotem or Comicus of the Month. In Comicus of the Month, we also create a new Comicus in here. If you see, this one is Q, so you can add the new Comicus. The number is maybe 4. The name is Ferdiansyah. We and and the data is 000. Okay, and save it. And the new comicus created successfully. And close the new comic. Again, muat ulang. Or refresh the page. Sorry, the data can be changed. So, and update it. Comicus update successfully. And then delete it. Comicus delete successfully. Okay, that's all from the web. Let's go to our apps. Okay, this one, as you can see, this one is my Android, and if you see is in right button, if that is if Webtoons, our application, and we just click it. And by the way, this one is deployed in Sony Xperia XZ1, and next free comic will be explained by Iqbal.
So this is the free comic interface. The first free comic interface lists the free comics for users that are using this app for free. So as you can see, this is the list of the comics that are available. And let's go to the top again, and we will click on the first comic. So if we click on the first comic, this is the preview of what it's like if there are actual comic pages, because we didn't put any comic pages database. We just use API to get some images from online. And we can click on the first image or the image for view a larger image itself, and swipe right or left to change the pages. And that's it for this page. We can go back to the previous page.
Okay, next is premium comic. The premium comic requires you to log in. This one is also login, and we click logout. Sorry. The logout is we use Ferdiansyah 03 and the password is 123456 and we'll log in. So this is user interfaces, and if you want to reset your password, just click the reset, and before we use 123456 we set it and 12345667. Okay, and click it as, and if your email not verify, you can click the verify button, select that, and we will send you from the email message to your email ferdiansyah03@gmail.com. And next we go to premium comic. I'm sorry, I'm look at the Sony Xperia XZ1 and or my hand one. Go to premium comic. This one is premium comic, same as free comic, but this one is load the premium comic, the the regular user just read the free comic, and the pay user read the premium comic. Okay, I think that's about premium comic. We go to contact us. The contact us same as web contact us. It send the administrator a message, a name, a message, and the email, and start the database. I'm sorry, the login and the register is also registered to Firebase out. So that login and register is registered to our, what is it, Firebase out issues what okay, submitted, and the data is tersimpan, which means the data has been sent to our administrator. I think that's all. Spread screen, the premium comic, the free comic, the contact us, and our web. That's all from our comic. If you like this video, you can like it, or you not like this video, just dislike it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for today, and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.